Good day, friends. We are going to be talking about the Dollar General clearance event that's going to be taking place this Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, which is the 19th, 20th, and 21st of September. And some amazing deals in this, what you should be looking out for, and why a lot of you should be shopping this specific event. So at your store currently, there's probably a lot of these like price break, 25% off. I think it's 25, 50, and 70%, up to 70% off. And that's where you're going to find the deepest savings. And starting on Friday the 19th, it'll be an additional 50% off. Essentially making like this Dolly Parton merchandise 75% off. So if you can ever find pennies or the cheap stuff, like this is definitely where you're going to find a lot of savings. So we're just going to go through because there are so many categories, we're just going to kind of graze over it. But look for these signs in your store. And remember, it's not till the 19th that they get extra cheap with the additional 50% off. So as stated, it's those specific dates. There is no early activation. Please do not ask in the comments. No early activation. It'll change in the app on the 19th, probably around 4 or 5 in the morning Eastern time. And we're looking for that additional 50% off. Some of the categories include Red Dot Home, Green Dot, Blue Star, Yellow Star, Summer Swim, Camping, Summer Foods, 4th of July, and Fireworks, Club 92 Candles, and Dolly Parton. With the Dolly Parton, some stores might have a whole lot of it, and then other stores might have very little. It is super popular, and she has a new line of Christmas that is not part of it. So we have to be super, super smart in store and scan everything and be smart. So for example, a box of summer drink mix, and we'll show you what that box looks like in a quick second. Currently that's 44 cents, will be 22 cents starting on Friday the 19th. A dollar fireworks, that's 70% off at 30 cents, will be 15 cents starting on Friday the 19th. So there are some tremendous savings for you guys to find. And Dollar General also did this where they gave us a week-long 5 off 25 plus the Saturday 5 off 25. If you can make a $25 basket of this clearance stuff, pairing it with one of these, you'd be getting an additional $5 off of your purchase, which is absolutely fantastic. So that is just terrific. Now, what is not so terrific is that all the items from last week's penny list went back to full price yesterday afternoon. That includes all those drink mixes plus the Pepto, and it's not even half off, 75% off. I mean, they're all back to full price. So I don't know if that was some sort of error that they allowed to slide for a week. I do not know. Maybe call Robert Stack from Unsolved Mysteries. Who knows? Now, why they're going so many categories all at once is because they absolutely want room. They're currently bringing in a lot of Christmas and Halloween and fall, and those items are bulky and take up space. When all this stuff will penny out, the summer stuff, a lot of you probably have that on the tip of your tongue. I think it's probably going to be in various categories, but the big wave of probably when Yellow Dot and Green Dot go is probably that first week of November. And just to preface something, the clearance section, along with the stuff that we normally do for the clearance event, it is not part of it for this clearance event. The next one will probably be on Columbus Day weekend in October, but POG and the clearance section, not part of this. The first category we're looking at is summer popsicle assortment, that sort of stuff. It's a lot more than popsicles as well. This Pure Kick, these freezer pops for hydration. If you ever get a really bad stomach bug, these are fantastic. They'll be 37 cents a box. Guys, pick it up in case you ever get the stomach flu. Fantastic. The Stubbs barbecue sauce. This stuff is made out of magic and cotton candy. 45 cents, especially if you're a diabetic. It's not as heavy with the sugar. So I really do like this one. Obviously, look at the ingredients list, but I've never had problems with this. Another one is this, the Hellmann's mayo, the 48 ouncer. It'll be $1.24 for this large mayo. Always check expiry dates because you don't want to buy something that's close to expiry, especially when you're buying 48 ounces. Pairing it with the 5 off 25, I mean, that's a no-brainer right there. And this box of Starburst Originals will be 22 cents. This is the 30 counter of those drinks, so a very good price point. Part of me is like, I'd like to get it for a penny, but if I had if this was my absolute favorite, yeah, 22 cents is a great price point. Now we're going to hop into Dolly Parton. She has a Christmas line as well right now on the floor at the Dollar General. This is the stuff that was there earlier in the year. So at half off, 75 cents or $1.12 for that dish towel. These are some chip clips. They're all like butterflies. That's her big thing. But anything with the Dolly logo on it, definitely scan. They're trying to still make a profit and not just hand this stuff out. 75 cents for these little plates, and I know there was a Stanley knockoff as well. I think that might be like $3.75 starting on Friday, because I think it's $7.50 right now. The store did not have one. Another item you really want to keep an eye out for is the Pampers Splashers, or alternatively the Dollar General diapers. Right now they're $3.83 here, so it'd be $1.91 starting on Friday, and then the generic ones are probably even cheaper, like the Dollar General brand. I can't stress it enough that you really open up the Dollar General app and scan every single barcode, because see how it says select swimwear / summer. So if it doesn't scan up properly, they're like, well, it's select. I've had employees do that to me before in the past. But everything from goggles, floaties, keep your dog safe, keep your kids safe, bubbles. You throw that in with a 5 off 25, especially if you've been like, I've always wanted that floaty for my dog, you can totally make that happen. One item, they had a huge display of these for $10. Not a single one was purchased this summer. That is definitely a sign of the times that if nobody's buying these, on Friday, these will be $2.50 each. Right now, they're currently $5, so it is smarter to wait for Friday when they're $2.50. And, pairing this with a 5 off 25, I think that's the smartest way to maximize your money. And then also this little Summer Blast swim tube. Wow, it looks interesting. This H2Go is the company you're going to want to be scanning. This guy on Friday will be $2. And this little mini will be 75 cents. So all this stuff, they might be migrating it towards the kids' toys, that area, or towards the front. Definitely keep your eyes peeled and use that app and scan, scan, scan. Lots of these categories, I'm just going to encourage you to go in the store and start scanning stuff. And one of them at 25% off with an additional 50 is the Green Dot Home. This was the first category I ever scored really big when I started really getting serious about penny shopping. So a lot of cute home decor, lots of gardening accessories, 25% off right now with an additional 50 starting on Friday. Lots of those cutesy little pots. I think a lot of you that home garden probably are like, I want them all. And I don't blame you. 50% off of Purple Dot Home. I did scan and photograph a couple items. And guess what? They're still ringing up $3 or $5. So that category, be super cautious of, guys, because I'm even struggling with it. And we also have 25% off of the Green Clover with an additional 50. That'll be 75% off. And it's a lot of like party, make your house look really cute for the summer months. This $3 sponge will be $1.12. So, it's okay. It's better than full price, I'm assuming. And so just be on the lookout for all this stuff. And then I'm closing it off with this really cute, adorable water bottle for 75 cents. With back to school around the corner, I know a lot of young gamers would absolutely love to have that water bottle. That's it for this video. Let me know in the comments down below. Will you be going out to the clearance event starting on Friday? I think I will be.